how to react to a message on Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you react to a message on Discord. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Discord application on your device. Alright, so after you open the Discord with your account, you'll go search interface. So from here, you'll have to choose the conversation from where you want to react to a message. So simply from here, I will choose this one. Alright, so after you come on the interface of your conversation, you'll go search interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap and hold that message whom you want to react. So in my case, I'm holding this chat. Alright, so after you tap and hold that chat, you'll be able to see search interface. So from here, at the top, you'll got so many options to react on that message. So you can as usual go with these options, or you can also browse the multiple stickers to react. So for that you'll have to go with the option last one. Alright, so from here you can react with so many reactions on Discord. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.